everyone. Welcome back to eBird lesson number 6. And in this lesson, I am going to talk about making negative sentences. Before starting the negative question form. අපි අද කතා කරමු කොහොමද negative sentences. ඒ කියන්නේ නැත කියන අර්ථය දෙන වාක්‍ය කොහොමද හදන්නේ කියලා. So, as you see on the board, in order to give a negative sense to the sentence, ඒ කියන්නේ වාක්‍යයට නැත කියන අර්ථයක් දෙන්න නම් we have to use a word not. Not කියන වචනය use කරන්න වෙනවා. Let's read out. I am not. We are not. You are not. They are not. And for the plural nouns also are not. He is not. She is not. It is not. And with the singular nouns also is not. Then you can put a noun or an adjective. As you know, forming negative sentences, we will move to the short forms. Again, කෙටි යෙදුම short form එක අපි බලමු. For I am not, we can say I'm not. For we are not, we can say we are not or we aren't. For you are not, you are not or you aren't. For they are not, they are not or they aren't. For he is not or he isn't. For she is not or she isn't. For it is not, it's not or it isn't. Alright, we will refer some examples. Look at the first one. I am not hungry. මට බඩගිනි නැහැ. අපි මේක short කරන්නේ කොහොමද? I am not hungry. මට බඩගිනි නැහැ. I am not hungry. I am not hungry. Next example is you are not tired. We can say you are not tired or you aren't tired. ඔයාට මහන්සි නැහැ. You are not tired. Third one, it is not a new house. ඒක අලුත් ගෙයක් නෙමෙයි. It is not a new house. So we can say it's not a new house or it isn't a new house. Right, now let's study some small conversations. ඒ කියන්නේ පොඩි dialogues ටිකක් අපි study කරලා බලමු. Here this person asks positive questions. ඒ කියන්නේ ඇත යන අර්ථයෙන් දෙන questions. ප්‍රශ්න තමයි අහන්නේ මෙයා. So this person gives negative responses. අද අපි ඉගෙන ගත්ත පාඩමට අදාළව negative responses තමයි මෙයා දෙන්නේ. Let's study this one. This person asks, am I late? මම පරක්කුයිද? එතකොට මෙයා කියනවා no, you are not late. ඔයා පරක්කු නැහැ. You are not late. Am I late? No, you are not late. Then again, this person asks, is this your bag? මේක ඔයාගේ bag එකද? Is this your bag? Positive question form. Then this person gives a negative form response. No, this is not my bag. නැහැ, මේක මගේ bag එක නෙමෙයි. This is not my bag. Is this your bag? No, this is not my bag. And in this conversation, this person asks, are your parents at home now? ඔයාගේ දෙමව්පියෝ දැන් ගෙදරද? Then this person responses, no, they are not at home. දැන් ඒගොල්ලෝ ගෙදර නැහැ. No, they are not. එහෙම නැත්තම් අපිට use කරන්න පුළුවන් they aren't. They are not. ඒ විදිහට short form එක use කරන්න පුළුවන්. Are your parents at home now? No, they are not at home. last conversation, and in this conversation, this person asks, is Nimal's car blue? Nimalge car එක නිල් පාටද? Is Nimal's car blue? Then this person responds, no, his car is not blue. His car, ඔහුගේ car එක. No, his car. එහෙම නැත්නම් කියන්න පුළුවන් Nimal's car. No, Nimal's car is not blue. Right? Is Nimal's car blue? No, his car is not blue. Right now, we will move to a very small and interesting activity. In this activity, you have to turn all these sentences into negative form. Let's read out one by one. I am tired now. Negative කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. දැන් ඉගෙන ගත්තා වගේ නැත යන අර්ථයට හරවන්න තියෙන්නේ. I am tired now. Your shoes are very dirty. Next one, cooking is my hobby. Doing homework is very interesting. And the last one is, Jenny and I are good friends. Right, now we will try to make negative sentences from these positive sentences. Let's try one by one. එකින් එක බලමු. I am tired now. මට දැන් මහන්සි. මේක කොහොමද අපි නෙගටිව් කරන්නේ? මට දැන් මහන්සි නැහැ. I'm not tired now. I am not tired now කියලා කියන්නත් පුළුවන්. Next one, your shoes are very dirty. ඔයාගේ සපත්තු ගොඩක් අපිරිසිදුයි. අපිට දැන් කියන්න ඕනේ ඔයාගේ සපත්තු ගොඩක් අපිරිසිදු නැහැ. How can we say? Your shoes are not very dirty, or your shoes aren't very dirty. And cooking is my hobby. ඉවීම මගේ hobby එක. How do we make the negative sentence? Cooking is not my hobby. Cooking is not my hobby. Fourth one, doing homework is very interesting. ගෙදර වැඩ කිරීම ගොඩක් සිත් ඇද ගන්නා සුළු දෙයක්. Doing homework is very interesting. ඒක එහෙම නෙමෙයි කියලා කොහොමද කියන්නේ අපි? Doing homework is not very interesting. Or we can say doing homework isn't very interesting. Last one, Jenny and I are good friends. Jenny සහ මම හොඳ යාළුවෝ. ගොඩක් හොඳ යාළුවෝ. Jenny and I are good friends. ඒක අපි නෙගටිව් කරන්නේ Jenny and I are not good friends. Then in the next lesson we will soon start making negative question forms. නැත යන අර්ථයේ ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න අපි ලෑස්ති වෙමු ඊළඟ lesson එකේ.